Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. Now you already know two groups of sounds, group 1 and group 2. Today I will teach you group 3 sounds. Let's move to our first card. Which letter is this? G. Which letter is this? G. And what is the sound of G? G. 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 What is the sound? G. G. Which letter is this? O. And do you know what O makes sound? O. 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 Like you are switching on and switching off the lights. O. 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 Okay, our next letter is U. U. What is the sound of U? Ah. 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 Like you are opening an umbrella. Ah. 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 Let's read about our next letter. Okay, which letter is this? L. Which letter is this? L. What is the sound of L? L. L. Like you are licking a lollipop. L. L. Which letter is this? F. Which letter is this? F. And what is the sound of F? Like a fish. Okay, let's see our next letter. Which letter is this? B. Which letter is this? B. And what is the sound of B? B. 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 Children, now you are able to learn group 3 sounds. Let's recall them one by one. Which sound is this? G. Which sound is this? O. Which sound is this? Ah. Which sound is this? L. Which sound is this? And which sound is this? B. Children, till now we have completed group 1, 2 and 3 of Jolly Phonics sounds. Now I will teach you about group 4 sounds. So the first letter I'm going to introduce you of group 4 is the combination of two vowels here, A and I. And when they come together, they make one sound. This is called vowel digraph. You know what is a vowel digraph? Vowel digraph is the two vowels combination together to make a complete different sound but make one sound. So the sound is A. A. What is the sound? A. What is the sound? A. Okay, the next letter is J, and the sound of J is J. 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 What is the sound? J. J. Okay, the next one is I. I. What is the sound? I. I. Okay, here you can see O and A, two letters, but they make one sound. O. 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 Okay, let's read about our next card. E. What is the sound? E. R. E. R. E. R. E. R. Children, as now you are able to read all these sounds, let's read them one by one. Which sound is this? A. A. Which sound is this? J. J. Which sound is this? I. I. And which sound is this? O. O. Which sound is this? E. E. And which sound is this? R. R. E. R. E. R. Well done, children. Okay children, let's repeat all these sounds again for better learning. Which sound is this? G. Which sound is this? A. Which sound is this? A. Which sound is this? L. Which sound is this? And which sound is this? B. Which sound is this? A. Which sound is this? J. Which sound is this? I. Which sound is this? O. Which sound is this? E. And which sound is this? R. E. R. Practice to learn these sounds of group 3 and 4. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe. We'll see you in next video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.